weather bulletin from the National Hurricane Center, issued at 7:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 0000 UTC, the disturbance was centered near latitude 21.5 north, latitude 87.5 west, about 502 miles, 807 kilometers southwest of Fort Myers, Florida. About 546 miles, 879 kilometers southwest of Tampa, Florida. The system is moving toward the north near 5 miles an hour, 7 kilometers per hour, and this motion is expected to continue tonight. A turn toward the northeast is expected on Friday, and a faster motion toward the northeast is expected Friday night and Saturday. On the forecast track, the system should move across the southeastern Gulf of Mexico through Friday night, and then move across the southern and central portions of the Florida Peninsula on Saturday. Maximum sustained winds are near 35 miles an hour, 55 kilometers per hour with higher gusts. The system is expected to become a tropical depression later tonight or on Friday, and a tropical storm late Friday over Friday night. Formation chance through 48 hours, high, 90%. Formation chance through 5 days, high, 90%. The estimated minimum central pressure based on surface observations is 1,003 millibars, 29.62 inches. Flood watch in effect from Friday morning through Saturday evening. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where? Portions of southwest Florida and west central Florida, including the following areas: in southwest Florida, coastal Charlotte, coastal Lee, inland Charlotte and inland Lee. In west central Florida, DeSoto, Hardee, and Highlands. When? From Friday morning through Saturday evening. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: potential tropical cyclone 1 is expected to spread locally heavy rain across portions of west central and southwest Florida Friday and Saturday. https www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. A tropical storm watch is in effect for the following counties: in Florida, coastal Charlotte, coastal Lee, coastal Sarasota, DeSoto, Hardee, Highlands, inland Charlotte, inland Lee, inland Manatee, inland Sarasota, and Polk.
I am getting KHB 32 here. Now, WWG 59 does not relay for Tampa Bay, but KHB 32 does, and I'm surprised I got it here. Alright. MFL already sent theirs, now I just gotta wait for TBW. And MFL's TRW won't be toned over WXK83. I'd be surprised if it does. I don't know if they will detone this TRW, I don't know. But we'll see what happens, but I'm keeping my eyes peeled on Ruskin for this TRW. Alright, stay tuned. Here we go! Here we go!
Warning for the following counties: in Florida, coastal Charlotte and coastal Lee. Coastal Charlotte and coastal Lee. A tropical storm watch remains in Florida, coastal Sarasota, coastal Sarasota.
Weather alert! Weather alert!
WJIS is going off for this.
A tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following counties.
WDCU relayed it. I'll
Florida,
count it.
Coastal Charlotte, and coastal Lee.
Holy crap. I didn't know they did this.
Christ. But before God, I say, He's God.
I didn't know they did this. Well, there we go. WJIS went off for this. Here's the call sign on that. Alrighty.
A tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following counties. In Florida, Glades, Henry and Inland Collier. A tropical storm warning remains in effect for the following county. Coastal Collier, Florida. Your coastal waters
Yeah, what's in that fell?
forecast for the WXK-83 listening.
About time.
Warning for the following counties. In Florida, coastal Sarasota, DE Photo, RD. tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following counties. In Florida, coastal Sarasota, DeSoto, Hardee, Highlands, inland Charlotte, inland Lee, inland Manatee, inland Sarasota, and Polk.
Here goes WGIS.
Weather
These are the
alert.
5
Weather
a.m.
alert.
observations for the local area. On Friday, June 7th, a tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following counties. In Florida, coastal Sarasota, DeSoto, Hardee, Highlands, inland Charlotte, inland Lee, inland Manatee, inland Sarasota, and Polk. The temperature was 71 degrees, 2.7, and the relative humidity 96%. The wind was...
Alright. They finally expanded it after like so long. Of course, this thing goes nuts. This thing. I think the HH went off. Yeah, it did. I had it on silent for this time around. And I'll go ahead and show you the scroll. Okay. Here, so this one I have the zone guard turned off. Alright.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Collier County in southwestern Florida until 9
Meet the
p.m.
Tongue
Eastern
Talk.
Daylight
That's
Time.
coming up next on Mill Street Radio from PRX right after the news.
Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 3 and 6 inches of rain have fallen already over the area. The National Weather Service. Heavy rain across the Warren area. Source: between 3 and 6 inches of rain have fallen already over this area from previous heavy urban areas. Highways. Additional rainfall as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Flash flooding locations that are expected to begin shortly include hazard. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations
K-Log relaying it.
most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. This is a tropical weather report to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time flooding latitude 23 north, longitude 85.8 west. About 351 miles, 566 kilometers.
So
south.
yeah,
Fort Myers, Florida. About 400 miles, 644.
I just got my first FFW on any radio I've had. That's not online.
Northeast near 7 miles an hour, 11 kilometers per hour. In the northeastward motion with an increase in forward speed is expected during the next couple of days. On the forecast track, the system should move across the southeast
Flash
Gulf of
flood
Mexico
warning.
tonight, across the southern and central portion.
And I was just saying to myself, I haven't gotten any alerts since the tropical storm warning this morning. Alright.